Call on Dr. Marlene Spruyt.
What an act to follow. I don't know what else I can say. I've been a family physician, for those of you who don't know me, because I'm not well known in Perth. I'm from North Frontenac. I've been a family physician and a public health physician for all of my life, and then retired to North Frontenac. At that time, I got involved in provincial politics as the Green Party representative in 2022, mostly because I saw Randy Hillier was a conservative person that was running in this riding, and was fighting the pandemic implementation and all of that. And I said, somebody's got to argue with this guy, and so I put myself forward to do that. In the end, he didn't run, and so I didn't really have much of an argument. And what I noticed when I was on the campaign trail was the Conservatives didn't show up at the debates, but the other progressive parties were there, and pretty much we had similar messages. We were all sort of focused on some environmental improvement, some social justice, improved health care, the woke approach to the world around us and promoting diversity. And so that's actually when I first met Michelle, because she was at one of those events supporting the Liberal candidate that sat beside me at that particular debate. So I ran again for the Greens in this past provincial election, and I still feel that there is a role for that party. But this election is different. This one, we have what we've called that existential threat, and we need not to have any conservative step to take over our government. So I've jumped ship from the Greens and am voting this time for Michelle and the Liberals. I must say, in my past life, it's probably not all that novel. In my past life, I voted Liberal when I was younger and didn't get as committed to the Greens until the last 10 or 15 years. But this particular election, Michelle is a collaborator, and I think that's how the progressive parties have to work. We have to collaborate with each other and work together to build the Canada that we all want to see.